In this video I'm gonna show you how to create calculator in Python. Here we will use Tkinter interface, which is the standard Python interface to the TK GUI toolkit. Both TK and Tkinter are available on most Unix platforms as well as on the Windows systems. TK itself is not the part of Python, it is maintained at active state. So let's start. I am using PyCharm community version, which is more than sufficient to run this. It is getting loaded. I am creating a new file, so I am using the library, which is the interface called Tkinter, and from Tkinter I am importing all the files. It is a GUI interface for creating GUI for the calculator we are creating. First we will create button click function, so I am using def button click, which is a function, and I'm passing the numbers in this function as parameter. I'm using an operator as global. I'm assigning operator plus numbers and converting this number as a string, inputting from the text box and setting the operator. Again I'm creating a function for clear button, so button clear display is a function, and within this I'm using the global operator and assigning it as blank string. That means nothing here in this string. And once again I'm using text input dot set method for this text box. Now we will create the equal button function to perform button equal input, and once again the global operator sum up is equal to string value. First we will evaluate the operator and we will put the string value of this operator into sum up. We will set this with passing the value sum up, and once again we will set the operator to null. Now I am creating cal as I'm assigning this tk function to cal. Cal.title is calculator. This is the title of the calculator. Once again assigning this operator in input string variable. Now we will use to display the text box line 0 of the grid. This is text display is equal to entry cal, and we are using the font. We can make it by itself. Here I am using Arial and the size of the text is 20. Now text variable is a text input. Border is 30. Insert width is 4. We are using the width as 4. Background of this is sky blue, and it will justify at the right side of the grid, and the columns will be 4 in this grid. Coding button for 7, 8, 9, and the add button at line 1. So I'm using this button variable btn7. Now button, in this button using pad X is 16, border is 8, foreground is black, font is Arial 20. For the symmetry I am using the same font and size of these buttons. Similarly I'm using the button 8 and 9, but the column values will be different. First one will be in the 0, second one will be in 1, and third one will be in the second column. With this, putting the command using Lambda, I am placing a addition button, and in this button I am assigning it to addition variable, and the same values are used, but I'm using the black color here as usual with the other buttons and same font. So I'm using the command is equal to Lambda and button click event in this grid at row 1 and column 3. Similarly, for the second line, for 4, 5, 6 and minus in line 2, I'm using button 4, 5, 6 and subtract, and changing the corresponding values for the columns and the row. It will be in the row 2, and the corresponding buttons 4, 5 and 6 will be in column 0, 1 and 2, and the subtract button will be in column 3. Now the third line for button 1, 2 and 3 and the multiplication symbol, multiplication button actually, I'm using the color black, and for this button I'm using the foreground as black. Once again I'm changing the color of this button, and for the click event I'm using the asterisk sign for multiplication in the row 3 and column 3. Now the last line of the calculator with buttons 0, clear, equal and the division. As usual, it will change the row value as 4 and the column values as usual 0, 1, 2 and 3. This will create 4 buttons in the bottom. Now I'm running this function with cal dot main loop. I'm looping it using main loop, and this will create the calculator. I'm running this program. Running this program will result the calculator, and now we can use, I'm clicking on 0, it is showing 0, I'm clearing it, I'm writing 12 plus 13, and when I put the equal button, when I click the equal button which is in green, you can see I have chosen green color for equal, and for clear I have put the foreground color as red for the clear button to distinguish between different buttons. You can use any color of your choice and make the display as you want. So I'm clicking the equal button, and you can clearly see that clicking the equal button will result the sum of 12 plus 13. Now I'm clearing it, and once again I'm writing 25 and subtracting 12, it is resulting as 13. Now I am performing an operation of multiplication as 4 into 2, and equal sign will result 8. Similarly, I am writing 50 and using the divide and dividing by 2, it is resulting. Once again I am clearing it. This is the calculator. So in this way you can create calculator in Python. See you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching.